Hey everybody, it's Kevin here, Marketing Director for Stamp Anything, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about our brand new bundle that is being released today, August the 24th. And that bundle is a set of two, and we're going to look at them right now. So first up, we have our Monster Mash Set 1. So this is a super exciting set, and you can see here that we have the Bride of Frankenstein, the Invisible Man, Count Dracula, and the creature from the Black Lagoon. So we're super excited to be having this 6x8 stamp set available right now. And if we're just gonna take a look right here, and we're gonna see what is included with your stamp set. So again, you're gonna have your 4 chibi images. We have that Bride of Frankenstein, Count Dracula, the Invisible Man, the creature from the Black Lagoon. We also have a tree. We have some sentiments. We have I suck at remembering birthdays, anniversaries. We have the sentiment, you're a classic. Invisible doesn't mean insignificant. What a pain in the neck. We were made for each other. Hey weirdo, and sorry I was late. I was really swamped. So those are the Monster Mash Set 1. Next up, we have Monster Mash Set 2. So Set 2 includes Frankenstein, the Wolfman, and the Phantom of the Opera, with some bats and a scary scene. So this is Monster Mash Set 2. So you can see here that we have 3 chibi images as well as a background stamp and some bats. They are individual. The sentiments we have are, let's be frank, you're bringing me life. I'm nuts and bolts crazy for you. Happy Halloween. How you doing? And all I ask of you, may your day be filled with music and share with me one love, one lifetime. So those are the sentiments that are included with this set. So again, that was the Monster Mash Set 1 and our Monster Mash Set 2. These are both 6x8 stamp sets, and they are for sale right now, and they are $25.50. So let's go ahead and see what our design team has done with these stamps. So first up, we have Stephen Krupp, and he has made this adorable Wolfman tag that says Happy Halloween. And we get a closer look at it here, and you can see how he's used the moon in the back and just some textured background. It looks really awesome, and he has colored this with Copics. It looks amazing. Next up, we have Count Dracula here, and this is by Betty Lim Silvernail. It is a super, super cute card. I love how she has the bats in the background, and her background is actually made with the Graveyard Builder die that came out with the Beetlejuice set. Next up, we have Misty Levine. Let's be frank, we were made for each other, and she combined Frankenstein and, of course, his bride to make this awesome card, and she used a classic monotone theme to go with how the movies were originally filmed, which was in black and white. And we can see her card here again. Next up, we have one of my cards. So I actually did a 3D kind of card. I used the U-Bridge card builder. I actually have that card right with me, so you can see here. So I colored up the Phantom of the Opera, and I used our balcony builder. I thought it was super perfect to go with this, and our arched window die. I actually even gave it some curtains, so I thought he would look really cute on a balcony, and I really loved coloring that image. Next up, we have this amazing Wolfman by Annabelle Haynes, and he was done with colored pencils or pencil crayons if you live in Canada or the UK. She did a wonderful job with him and gave him that awesome moon background, which is so great. Next up, we have the creature from the Black Lagoon. So this one I did as well. No one had picked him, and I think he's so awesome. So I decided, do you know what? I'm going to do him, and I'm going to give him a cool little shell background. So I actually put him on a shell, and I gave him all kinds of 3D textured backgrounds. And this is kind of like zoomed out really bad, but so here he is. So he was super cute to do, and I loved put a little shell in his hand. I thought that was pretty cute. And one more by me is the Invisible Man, and I used the Hey Weirdo sentiment, and I used that background stamp to create a little graveyard scene. Why is the Invisible Man in the graveyard? I don't know. But when I researched the movie from 1933, I believe, I found out the Invisible Man, who I thought was maybe not so bad, is actually very, very bad, and he is definitely a movie monster. Finally, in our little show here, we have a card by, of course, our wonderful owner, Annie Kelly. She did a card for this release and it is absolutely adorable. She put the Bride of Frankenstein and Frankenstein together and did this awesome background for them. It is super, super cute. So let's go over and review those characters that are in these two stamp sets. So we have, right in front of me here, we have the Bride of Frankenstein, we have the Invisible Man, we have Count Dracula, we have the Wolfman, we have the Creature from the Black Lagoon, and we have our Phantom of the Opera. So again, Monster Mash Set 1 looks like this, right there. And Monster Mash Set 2 has this in it and looks like that. And they are available to purchase right now on the website. So you can find that in the link below. And I hope you guys love this fall bundle set in our new 6x8 format. It is absolutely spooky.